Thinking of renting or leasing property in Abu Dhabi? Then you need to know about Tawtheeq, the official tenancy contract registration system. Tawtheeq is the government-mandated tenancy registration system in Abu Dhabi. It's managed by the Department of Municipalities and Transport, and it's mandatory for all residential and commercial rental agreements. This registration confirms that your lease is legal and recognized by the government. It's also essential for activating utilities, getting your residency visa, enrolling children in school, and protecting your rights as a tenant. To register your lease under Tawtheeq, you'll need a signed tenancy contract in Arabic or bilingual Arabic-English, a copy of the title deed or proof of ownership, Emirates ID for both the tenant and landlord, copies of the tenant's passport and UAE residence visa, and if someone is registering on your behalf, a valid power of attorney. Here's how Tawtheeq works, step by step. First, you sign the lease agreement with the landlord or agent. Then the landlord or property manager submits the required document through the Department of Municipalities and Transport's online portal. Once the official registration fee is paid, the government issues your Tawtheeq certificate. This serves as your legal proof of tenancy. After receiving the certificate, you can activate essential services like electricity, water, and internet. Tawtheeq must be renewed annually. If the lease ends early, it must be officially cancelled through the same system. Always make sure your contract is registered and don't rely on verbal agreements or unregistered leases. So, that's your complete guide to Tawtheeq in Abu Dhabi. Whether you're moving in as a tenant or managing property as a landlord, make sure your contract is registered and compliant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.